We have a yellow Packin Pacer from Hot Wheels. This car has seen better days. When I first saw it, this is actually, believe it or not, one of my first Pacers that I've ever owned. I thought this was something that was broken. I didn't realize they were tailpipes. So forgive me for my ignorance. But the windshield is yellow, so we're going to have to polish that windshield, maybe do some sanding to get all these scratches out. The interior and the engine are in the back of the car are all chrome, so we'll probably have to paint that with some Molotow ink. It has one post in the bottom. The back hooks through the body right there where you see the license tag. We'll replace the decals. We'll refresh the paint because the paint is pretty much there, so the body should be protected underneath. And we're going to make this bad boy look like new. We're also going to change the wheels. Some of the newer cars that came out, especially at Target, had black wall tires, and the one that I want to use comes from the 2014 Corvette that Target put out in the Decade series, and I'll show you why. The tires are very similar. They're not red walls, they're red lines, they're black wall tires. They're the same 5-spoke wheels. I think the only difference really might be a little thickness in the back. Fronts are very close. So I think these will work good. The spacing is just about spot on, so I think we can handle it. We'll take the tires off this, put them on there, and it'll look like brand new. These tires fit perfect. If you ever want to do a restoration on a Supervan, they fit perfect on a Supervan. And I use the black walls from the Decade series from Target on a lot of my black wall restorations. So keep your eyes out if you're looking for black wall tires. It beats paying $10 an axle on eBay. So let's get to making this car brand new. Okay, we got the Packin Pacer drilled out. Let's take it apart and see what we've got. The back clips over the base right here where the license plate goes. I think I said that before. The base is metal. I don't know why I was thinking it was plastic. A nice little base. Is going to polish up nice, I think. And we have a yellow windshield. Pop that out. Look inside. We have a nice thin post right there. We have to be careful not to bust through that. This is one of those cars you could actually add a motor to it if you want to do a resto mod. So we've got to drill that out and put a screw in it. And this is our windshield. We're going to have to do some sanding to get some of the scratches out and dip it in the pledge floor shine. Here's the interior. We're going to soak this in super clean, get all the old chrome off of it, and spray it with some Molotow ink. Make it look brand new. Everything is here. Awesome. So let's get started. Oh, we are going to do some new wheels like I said before. Got some like right there. Come off that Corvette. A little bit of fuzz from somewhere. We have our Packin Pacer all painted up. Added a coat of clear. Now I'm going to put the decals on. I got them right here all cut out. I'm going to soak them and get them ready to put on. And we'll start with the hood. And then we'll do the roof. And after they dry, we will add some clear coat. I'm going to soak these after you wet them for about 30 seconds to get the glue to release. And you can like kind of do like that and you'll slide off. You just want to stick that one piece right there on the front. Pull the back off. Just like that. arrow is still hanging off the car. Was one part of the decal I think we want. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these were made a little too big. These are from Second Chance red lines. Sometimes the printer doesn't quite print what you expect it to print. You don't want to move when you touch it, but you're doing something. It's like, oh, we're going to move. Alright, we'll leave that there like that. And we'll put some water on the roof. Alright. We'll let that dry. And then we'll clear coat it to protect it. What do you think? Alright. Alright, here we have the Packin Pacer with decals and a clear coat over the decals. It'll protect it and keep them looking good. I think the clear coat actually brought the color out in the decals. Now it's time to assemble the base, his new wheels, off of the Corvette. It's a 2014 Corvette from Target's Decade Cars. We're going to put this all together and see how beautiful this car is once it's put together. Get ready for the showcase. And again, the interior that I did with a Molotov pen, I spray painted it using the refill. You got to put the pipes in so they go out the back window first. See? Gotta come out the back window. I wouldn't want to be sitting in the back seat of this car. You have to make sure the license plate comes through the back of the car. Snap it up. One screw. Oh, one screw. You don't have to have a screw this long. I just use longer screws because sometimes you need longer screws. Alright. There we have it, the AMC Packin Pacer by Hot Wheels. Looking special today. I think she turned out great. Better than she was before. You have to agree to that. So, if you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and ring that bell to get notifications for future videos. Have an awesome day.